What's up, guys? Quantum League Capital here, and as you can see, there is no change in the account today, and we will shortly get into that in a second. So let's get on to what's been going on in the market, and I'm really upset because it looked like there was such a good move. I stayed up late last night doing some other stuff, and I really regret it because it's the first New York session I've missed in a while, and it just looked so good. So like right out the gate, we have accumulation, and then we have a massive like manipulation right here. So we have this giant candle. It comes back down to this previous accumulation, aka demand, and it takes out this previous low right here, and it's just a clear sign to me that, you know, it was such an easy buy. And the area that I'm talking about, this is the previous low. What the fuck? There we go. This whole area is circled right there. I'm talking about this low. The previous accumulation gets taken out. Can even draw a line right there. Gets taken out by this. Then we have demand forming. I mean, if we go down to lower time frames. Yeah. I mean, it looks like you could probably buy right now, but it's outside the time that I trade, so I don't take trades outside of the time that I don't trade. You have to have rules to your trading, like you have to have a plan. Otherwise, what the fuck are you doing? So I'm trying to see if there's like any clear, like this right here, like that's what I'm saying. If this was in the time of me trading, like this right here, clear order block, clear tap back in rejection, like that right there is a picture perfect entry. But like I said, I don't trade during times that I don't trade, so it is what it is, right? See if we can find some stuff in here. Lower time frames. Yeah, just like clear rejection. Have this almost engulfing bullish candle, break structure. And then we go down to 1 minute. So yeah, this is it right here, and then we have, yeah, bullish, bearish, bullish pattern. So we could have entered at this point right here. Once this candle closed, we could have entered, put our stops below. I mean, for a 4.6 pip stop loss, potential 20 gain. It'd have been a 1 to 5 RR. Even if we just took it to here, it'd have been at least a 1 to 1, almost like a 1.5. If we would have made it up to like 8 pips, not even that much farther, it would have been a 1 to 2. So yeah, that sucks balls. But an important thing to realize and recognize about trading that I guess I should talk about is that your routine is extremely important. So don't do shit that's gonna fuck up your routine, like waking up in the morning. It's the first session I've missed in a while, which really pisses me off. But it is what it is. We just come back tomorrow and, you know, get at it again. I just feel like the moves, especially that happened today, were like so perfect. And we definitely would have been up like I would honestly, I think we'd probably be up another percent. So I'd be, I'd be at 208, almost 209 right now. And then I would be almost 4.5%, and I would only need 3 more percent. So, and I usually don't trade on Fridays, so it's like I really only have 2 more trading days left in the week, which fucking sucks. But yeah, enough of the fucking pity party. It just is what it is, right? But yeah, that's something you have to recognize too, is like, oh, like it looks like a really good trade, right? But you need to have a trading plan, and you can't deviate from that trading plan. So like, yeah, I woke up at like 9, which is usually when I stop trading. And when I say stop trading, I mean just that I don't take any more trades. So if I'm in a trade, it's okay. But, if I'm not in a trade, I'm not taking a trade. And that's part of my rules. Like, I don't deviate from those rules. Because most people come into the market and they don't have like any type of plan or like structure of, like what they do. They just come in and they're like, okay, am I buying or selling? Like, they have no idea of like anything that they're doing, and it's not to say that you need to like know fundamentals, because there are people that are strictly, they're strictly technical traders. But I would say, like, it does help to know some fundamentals. Like, I talked to some people in trading who are just like completely fucking cavemen. And, if you really care about this game and you really actually give a fuck about it, then you should know like shit that's going on in the economy, because there are factors that move this market. So why the fuck would you not? Especially if it's something that you want to make like a career. Like, if it's something that you're just doing on the side, then like fuck it, and then like whatever. But if you're actually dedicated and you want to make this something that is like a full-time thing, or like a main source of income, not even necessarily like it's your one and only single source of income, but just a main source of income, then yeah, you definitely need to know what's going on in the economy and the world. Fundamentals, no matter what anybody says, definitely plays a factor. Like, if wars start happening, like Russia, Ukraine, like it affected the markets heavily. Central banking policies, stuff like that. But yeah, definitely pisses me off that I missed today's session, but yeah, we just come back at it tomorrow. That's really all we do. So I'm gonna let the music play a little longer, because the music is smooth, we're chilling, we're relaxing, and I hope you guys have a good day. Quantum League Capital out.